Hey, what's up YouTube? Raleigh back with an interesting video. I hope the quality is hyped up. Theoretically, it must be 4 times better than the previous video because this is shot at 4K. Now even I am hyped up in this video because I have this in the studio. This is the Galaxy A50. You might be familiar with this device. And yeah, here is the unboxing video of this particular device. Without any further ado, let's get started. Additional information, this particular device comes in 2 variants, that is 4GB RAM and the 6GB RAM variant. So the 4GB RAM variant has the same camera, the same processor and the same ROM memory, and the RAM is the only difference between these 2 devices. This costs around 20,000 rupees, and that you can purchase this online or in the offline stores like Purvika. Good choice. So there are 3 colors that Samsung offers us. This is the white version, another one is the black and the blue version. For me personally, I like the white version, so here's it. Now opening the box, at the top, obviously you'll get the A50. Let me keep the device to the side and see what else you get. Inside the box, you get a fast charger. It's a Samsung adaptive charger, that is the 15-watt fast charger. And you also get a Type-C cable because it has a Type-C port, which is nice. And also a AKG earphones from Samsung. Nice that smartphone companies even include this in the box. And that's pretty obvious to see a SIM ejector tool in the box. And here's the secret packaging from Samsung, that is a TUP case. Let's open it and see how it looks. It's basically a rubber case. With that, you also get a quick start guide, the warranty card, and other paper stuff. Now let me remove the plastic that was pre-applied to the phone and fit inside the case, and here's how it looks. It looks the same with the case and without the case. So there is no absence of the rainbow color effect of the phone, even if you apply the case. And now let's boot it up. And actually it took 33 seconds to power on. This is a fast forwarded video, so you won't get to calculate that, but trust me, it takes 33 seconds. And we are into the phone. So this is the One UI 1.1 that is on the top of the Android Pie. As you can see, it's very snappy and fast, so common tasks will have no lag. Now before getting to the internals, let me give you a physical overview. On the right hand side, you'll see the power switch, which is reachable, and also the volume rocker. And on the top, you'll get the secondary noise cancellation mic, and on the left, you'll get nothing but the SIM tray. And there you'll get support to 2 OLT SIMs and also a micro SD card. Samsung is very much known for that. And in the bottom, you'll see the 3.5mm audio jack and the USB Type-C, and also the single speaker with the noise cancellation mic. And guys, this has the in-display fingerprint scanner, not the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. This has an optical scanner. So it will be not as secure as the ultrasonic ones, but it's faster than that. It almost takes a second to unlock. And now let's get into the main thing, the cameras. It has a triple camera in the rear and a single camera that's fitted inside an Infinity U display. That's what a fancy name for a teardrop notch. So in the rear, the one is the main sensor, another one is the ultra wide, and also you'll get a live focus camera that's just a depth. And here's the overview of the camera UI. It has everything from panorama to hyperlapse and from auto to pro mode. And the front camera is just like this. I request you to watch the review video that's coming very soon. It has all the camera samples. So that was pretty much everything about the Galaxy A50. And yeah, this part of the video is shot on A50, so you can predict the quality of the camera. The best phone under Rs 20,000 for me is the Galaxy A50. You can go check it out, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care, guys.